Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get the ring light on the Snapchat. So if you want to get the ring light effect on the Snapchat, as this feature is updated on the Snapchat, how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and make sure your front camera is turned on. So once you will do it, on the right top you will see different option. On the second option you will see a flash option, and you will see a cross icon, so you have to click on it. And here you will see different options, like you can change the color scheme as well. And from the second option you can increase or decrease it. So if you don't get this option right here, simply update your Snapchat application. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.